Minim baby episode yen.
That's a minute. Okay, bro. And I'll pay. Meko Italy. Na makwa faba Italian football. On say per story Ebano clearly indicates say the likelihood say Pep Guardiola ebe kwa fa the Azzurri national team no very low. One shekra ANC by virtue of the airco because Rich initially the Italians felt to say minya kwenti Giovanni Malago semeka Giovanni Malago on the FIGC president minya kwenti nensemu a okan or your interview wo match this Galatio na the interview no ye no and o chere mu say Italy for now FIGC in Ankasa almost a lot of challenges especially financially almost huge financial constraints now huge financial constraints now o chere mu no and o chere mu say Italy qualify World Cup no sir offer no operational cost any other cost e dey abre FIGC na o totalia estimating around 34 million euros hence abokayi into ankasa no challenges no ho eminim say woni Italian football in its entirety ankasa no the challenges are face after Saka show poli no bepem ne Italy entimi fan into mapankasa fry into rich okay no na chere mu say because of the level person edi game no econo believe say nipa of fit into the profile the category of coach person manage national team no is Pep Guardiola into no they would want to go extra mile so in as much as nim say sikasem issue kese pa no person be kwa bro ahoden so and reach out here story about ni say no me already so be ma Pep Guardiola 10 million euros and only sikanga so more ready say the be ma Pep Guardiola. So it tells you that looking at current situation nim so who dey pa assess niema holistically and realistically believe say who dey year pa no 10 million euros a year or a season we cry the national team cry the a year rich utie the Pep Guardiola enso demand there because currently he is on sabbatical leave now utie the Pep Guardiola demand there no demand for at least 20 million euros a season.
Double of the Italians in the Bamano.
Exactly, man. Double of the Italians, no, a day, man. Rich, sir, okay, sir, call by virtue of that. Dear Etrani say, dear not Guardiola airpen. Guardiola person babe the highest paid national team coach in the world. Reason here very simple. Because currently, the highest paid national team coach in the world, Carlo Ancelotti. Or coach Brazil national team. Or no, they get 10 million euros a year. And he said, Italy decided so almost 10 million euros a year. Almost the number the same bracket of Carlo Ancelotti. And it tells you that really almost appreciate Guardiola level ni year. But Rich, Guardiola also in person, I believe he said no 10 million euros no enye enough and farmer me per double of that. He certainly Obeba the highest coach in the world. National team coach in the world. Rich him. Obe sound who say a nice strategy and a Pep Guardiola. AUC at the culture Italians they say are you interested in the job or not? Because just a nice way of saying say I am not interested. But on person can straight away. Hence on say told out me NOB even radio cry any day. Obet me SUB. Obet me a ball figure be pa. On say realistically, on show position. Why explaining the man so actually manati as say this is my position currently. So nipa ni say abu we the station on timi ntuampo. But on also ferro on timi kan show say me ready say me adwuma no. Ti on kan isa no obebu agyina mabo. Ti de ebekwa akwa ni so okay esikasem ntina ye ntimi anya adwuma no. And to be shown from that perspective. And also obesan hwe say rich unim Guardiola nso yentia say before or the Man City Ejumano Airton. Guardiola was earning 20 million pounds a year, but also okay idea. 20 million pounds a year. So it is also understandable, say, well, by virtue of the fact, say, Ansan or the Man City Ejumano Airton, he was earning 20 million pounds a year. So say, or just that amount, which is around 23 to 24 million euros a year. It's rich. It says Obon sa born in a way no or so he's right. Because rich or then who a certain level and then no about be any demands ekosro. Because of sa level now we do say obi on 20 million pounds a year. Almost 24 million euros a year no. Such a person kwa pena. Also who said the no so within that bracket. Because rich OTI baby away adwuma dru said the wa brand ho. Any said the multimedia ayen nneema yie edema no. What ba bedru a certain stage saving ube free multimedia mpo akọ baby a. Eye inda say nipa ni betimi match up to sa level na owo. Announce obey our bros because of the brand and everything. Any nneema will enjoy. And to know sanity. Okay. And to also from that perspective, almost say clearly Guardiola and yes abia adwuma ne nso na ompe. And to say one kwanko ye adwuma na certainly a basic asem. And FIGC president and so man very clear say our number one priority Pep Guardiola because returning say free Guardiola level now. Two coaches omudi abamu ye pa no. Andre Pello and Roberto Mancini. Now, you analyzing here maybe near Shade. So for be say Andre Pello or Baba Baffour Juve or by no do omoje Coppa Italia. No do omoje Super Coppa Italia as well. That is the Italian Super Cup or do omoje and also. And offer now on the basis of that within 1 year or one season. Now would never the perspective of Pep Guardiola within that context, no clearly won't say emu wadodo a mouse ahead. So the next person I can ask him Roberto Mancini. Now Oba before Roberto Mancini, maybe Remfise Mancini and so edne at to a certain level. Rich or the Inter AJ leg no 3 consecutive seasons. And then no maybe Remfise Oba before Man City at the Omuji EPL. Or no na di Italy AG Euro 2021 no. So Beka I on the AS no with Italy. And to also a certain level. And me cry in person, they honestly suffer by virtue of Pep Guardiola and the achievement as a coach at club level there. Rate a honor clearly or bro so. Because winning 41 major titles, including La Liga there, or about 2 or 3, winning 2 Champions League titles with Barca, was had the Champions League title with Man City. Why did 20 titles with Man City? Emu treble ni adie nyina so Guardiola no a certain level. But okay say but national team level, sa perspective now, Rich, then you will begin to appreciate Roberto Mancini. Senka wo hwe ni ye pa say when na nke beti Italian job na se. Anke Roberto Mancini. Meaning so me agina because Guardiola emfa national team there. Yeah. Already Mancini is an Italian. Sign check Italian football in history and alpha Italy national team. Almost successes virtually. Almost coaches. Only since Italy national team ever. Only 2 coaches and they have foreigners. Obeka this Herrera man. Obaba befa Italy Inter. No more friend is over before. Inter domineering period or Europe no. 1961 no. He was the manager. And Obaba befa Hungary. Lajos Chesney. Ono so befa omu team no. But omu nyina no be any honu mu a otimi e de omu e recognized trophies. And even Italy na ankasa no. The coaches and the 4 trophies are waje. FIFA World Cup trophies no. E omu ankasa nkrofo na jede mom. And omu history no, Italians na omu bra omu abono. Omu esa de ne dia mom. And Roberto Mancini is an Italian. Rich Patch also at the point na say, omu ko 37 games unbeaten. And it's also a year pana. Say ye be omu kon a dopa say a Guardiola, the name Guardiola no. And omu kon dopa na. Because even with Guardiola crano, you ask yourself, say, how are Italians view football? Son of Guardiola view football. Said you no person
football philosophy.
That is the point. And put a words apart. Because Rich, we all agree. Say per one national team above from ye ye pana Italy. The past 3 World Cups are yakunyano. Italy nyakwa maybe. At a point, Bosnia and Herzegovina team you playoff. And you so sad, so clearly offer Maximilia, offer our national team level. No? baby a reduce ya baba bedra yenim se aba for me ye pa hence I was say almost say eniama foforo bro say utie Roberto Baggio minya kwan unse Baggio ena na ono e omo technical director no ena later Baggio decide say odi adwuma no e to ho only reason ti odi to ho reason they to ho no na 900 pages ba me nko ni nyina mu kitwa bi na me yidi ama me highlight reason ne ba ko ne say Italy ball na omo ebo no omo try say omo be invest in grassroots football oye no cite Spain as an example and to mean say be as part of reasons into omo pe Guardiola no e kan odi Spain and a reference point said the Spain academies near the omo invest wo no omo try some best side and some person mo game no esan so back into life no omo national team no epeja omo nhye sade ni yi enye mo kire omo no omo mpe top class coaches and osheniema obobo so a saniema no Italian football FIGC no enye ready say on best saniema no e no ho abufo no de adwuma no eto ho said the direction of person eko no enko sade ma ne ya ne say bro se na uba Europe na anka me no nanim say in time pass omo ananka South America, Argentina, Uruguay and Brazil omo dominate world football no omo na omo timi mo reality check no nanka ye Germany so anya me point anka Germany and ye Italy and then to some extent France ba uba from titine dia nanka ye Italy, Germany and na omo ye saade no na England be about 1966 back.
Okay.
So so sad so omo aba do this level. But rich ye kesa na we nyina de anu musia eno ye patoa no. Ni asan so abisi on say so. The Azuris now so in terms of talent, do they really even have the talent? So for even a top class manager. So mama me ye adwuma na. Obetimi asesa ne ma na.
So start from the grassroots.
That's the point.
I started from there.
Because
only Germany here be budget 2014 World Cup.
Exactly. Spain IAB.
Spain so IAB the about budget World Cup.
IAB. And now say omo when you cause audience because West the idea be first and Italy dominate world football no. Omo mistake omo no. Now you about buying top stars omo every abontine.
Okay.
Now omo do omo aba. Now omo aba be adwuma. Even omo last time omo World Cup no back 2006 no. It was an aging squad virtually now kwa Juve any AC Milan players no. And omo prepare towards the future. And invest to a grassroots football. Omo adwuna massa ade ne so. Enti bro I can't know bedu this level.
This is the part one.
Exactly.
Probably you be a part two of it.
Exactly, bro.
Me no ya 100%. Me Italy for no come here more. You see, financially, we some muscles anyhow. Anyhow, for so no there. Anya she. Ukrom need you consider me.
Perfect. And also say or to culture.
I mean, you understand the Italian game. And already say be more 10 million over to
and bro, last coach called J trophy. And Richard Made, national team players they call on. Do one your mom win is high heroes.
But anyway, that's the part one. So probably we have a part two on it. Nah, yet in common at me at the Amama Insurance 4.5 FM.